welcome aboard. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and enjoy this incredible Formula One recovery expedition.
They treaded the trench.
Attention all hands, ROV deployment in 2 minutes. Clear the starboard side.
Confirmed. Deep search and engaging descent then.
Tank secured, pressure looks good.
Regulator check complete. Ready for deployment, sir.
All right, bring her down slow. Watch the port side. Copy, descending now.
The submersible descends deeper into the blue abyss.
Wait, hold the camera right there. Enhance that section.
My God, is that the Red Bull logo? We found it.
Surface, this is Pelican 1. I have located the target.
The discovery of a lifetime. A Red Bull racing chassis, submerged for years, finally revealed.
Watch your side. Steady, steady. Bring it left a foot. All right, easy down. Push. Harder. Give it everything you've got. Hit it again, right there. Ramp secured. Start the winch. It's moving. Watch the left side. Keep it steady. Easy now.
Is that tight enough on the left?
Yeah, give it one more crank. We're clear for the lift. Keep the tension on the lines. Easy now. Watch the port side. Clear the ramp. All right, secure the load. We are detached. Is that what I think it is? It's an F1 car. How is it down there? The front wing, it's still caked.
I'm on it. Watch the pressure back there.
Almost clear on the left side pod. Careful with the pressure on the wing. I'm trying. These barnacles are tough.
As the deep-sea sediment is washed away, the iconic Red Bull livery and the Oracle logo emerge, a testament to its robust construction.
All right, let's get the rear section dry. Copy that. Making progress on the diffuser.
Incredible piece of engineering, isn't it? After all that time underwater.
Watch the front wing there. It's clear. All right, secure the straps now.
We're seeing minimal intrusion here at the engine cover seal. Copy that.
The telemetry data stream confirms the breach near the rear axle was localized.
All clear on the port side, Chief.
Copy that. Secure the rear mounts and double check the telemetry housing for water ingress.
We're showing a green light on all sensors.
We got it! She's finally up! Incredible job, everyone. Well done.
The front wing structure seems compromised here. Log that immediately.
And the rear diffuser looks stable, despite the impact.
Look at that finish in this light.
Hard to believe it was underwater an hour ago.
Look at that shine!
Incredible job by the dive team.
All right, smile for the camera, everyone.